welcome to my channel. My name is Sylvia and my channel is all about being creative. Now, change of plans when it comes to my cupboard. One, I'm not going to do 3 layers. I'm only going to do the 2 because I realised that's all I need for the minute. And second of all, I actually decided that being my creative space, I should make it look really creative, and I'm actually going to paint it and paint whatever on it. So what I've done is all the screws that I put in to make my box on the outside, I have filled them with builder's bog, and I've just sanded it all down so that you're not going to see it when it's all completed. So I figured it was the best way to go about it. So I've still got some paint left over from when I did my desk, which is sort of a black, but it's sort of a grey, more of a grey really, I think. They couldn't quite get me the right black that I wanted, so I'm like, okay, that'll do. However, I've still got plenty of that left, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that onto the box, and it's basically just, I'm just going to do the top of the box and the 2 sides, and I might put some on the back, just so that I can protect it from, you know, if we end up with another water leak in here, I don't want it to get damaged. So yeah, I'm going to basically just cover the outside with the paint, and then on the sides I will end up doing a pretty painting after, once I'm ready to do that. So and when it comes to the drawers, I decided to hold off for the minute to make the framework for it, because I really need to try and work out how many drawers I'm going to put in there, how deep they need to be, etc. So, because my idea is this should be enough for the minute to fit all to do with heat pressing into it. That means my mugs, my coasters, you name it, it'll fit in there. So, and the drawers, we're going to customise them as well, to make it all neat and tidy in there and everything. So, but yeah, so I'm going to get started on painting it. So what I've done is I grabbed one great big brush. I'm just going to brush it on. I was thinking about rolling it on, but I thought, no, just brush it on. At least the first coat, because I'll probably have to do 2 coats, and the second coat I might roll on, but we'll see. Anyway, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to let it dry overnight and see what it looks like in the morning. I won't be able to do any more today anyway, because I actually have an electrician coming to fit a 15 amp power point in for me, because I do have a new toy and it requires 15 amp, and I only have 10 amps up here, so got to get that sorted, and then I'll be able to start playing with my new toy. So anyhow, let's see how it goes in the morning. For you guys it'll be just like that, but for me it's several hours away, so I'll talk to you guys then. Okay, so it's all dried, and I decided those two very thin coats were going to be enough, and I'll show it to you. Okay, so there we are. That's the top part of it. My idea is I'm actually going to do a painting on the top here as well, because there was something that I had thought of, and that is, when you make yourself a cupboard, if you had the room where you could actually put a cupboard like this in the center of your room, because, you know, for some unknown reason that's how you wanted to set it up, and you could paint everything, like all the sides and the front, and you end up with a masterpiece. So we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Instead of just building something, we're actually going to include painting as well in the form of art. Now what we're actually going to do, once we've done all the painting and it's fully cured, I'm actually going to put a clear over the top. That way it's all nicely protected, and I'm actually going to make it so it's nice and shiny as well. So okay, so what I'm going to do today is start on this side. So I'm going to start with the sky, and then I'll start doing the scenery at the bottom as well, and sort of join the two together. So I'm going to be sitting on the floor having fun painting. So enjoy. So I've finished it off camera, because I was really struggling, because it's too warm in here. So the paint was literally drying instantly. Now I have put 4 birds in the sky, and I just sort of finished off that rockery down the bottom there, the big one. I'm going to leave it at that. I'm not going to do the other 2 sides because we are coming into a heat wave, so I figure no way at least I've managed to show you that what you could do, basically. I'm going to go and see if I can get some clear, a nice glossy clear to put on it to protect it. The next stage will be putting the drawers together, so that will probably happen sometime next week. I'm not sure when, because one, I'm still waiting on the drawer slides, which I should get either tomorrow or Monday. There could also be a delay, so, but yeah, so I'm going to finish off this video for now, and in the next video we will then start working out how big to make the drawers, etc., how many drawers I'm going to put into it. I did order extra drawer slides, so hopefully that'll be enough so that I can actually finish this part. And then I'm not sure when I can actually get the next lot of plywood, and this time I'm actually going to get the good quality one. The guy next door, he hasn't been around, so I've got to wait for him so that he can help me pick it up, because I've got no means of picking it up at the moment, so that's okay too. Anyway, I hope you got inspired by this, and I hope you liked the video. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, then be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified when I put up another video. Until then, I'll catch you later. Bye for now.